Finally, a brand has reached out to me, so I'm starting this YouTube for real now. Look guys, KNF Concept just reached out to me and asked me if I can take a photo for them with their brand new filter called the Black Mist filter. Of course I said yes, but I didn't want to do it in Thailand. I'm so bored of taking pictures in every corner of Thailand, whether it be cars, street, or fashion. And I'm like, you know what? I got this wild idea. Why don't I just fly across the world to take this picture for KNF Concept? And I want you guys to come along for the ride, so let's go. What's that, babe?
It's Hochipa.
Hochipa, we're gonna miss this guy because we are going to
My hometown.
Guys, we're about to take off. I'm on Kata Air. This is second floor of the airplane. I've never been on the second floor before, so it's gonna be cool. I'll see you guys later, man. Let's go. Yo guys, we're here in International Airport of Doha, and as soon as we landed, it felt so good, man. This whole entire place felt like a well-oiled machine, and one of the first things I noticed was everything around here smells so good. Second thing is everything here feels a little bit more premium than in Thailand, a lot more premium. And the coolest thing was they have a BMW M5 CS and a McLaren, plus a BMW bike that you can win with the ticket that we have. All right, yo, you guys know where I'm going yet, man? Can you guys figure it out? Comment down below if you think you know where me and my wifey is going. We have landed in... So we just landed in Hungary like literally a minute ago. Custom was all clear. Kitty went on the Hungarian line and I went on like the non-Euro EU line, right? And then I came out, I was like, Mom's like that, Mom sent Dad here, and they said we're gonna stop somewhere for some drink. I was like, what kind of drink? She's like, alcohol. We home? Alright, yo, so Kitty's in the bathroom. Now we're waiting for the conveyor belt. And I'm gonna meet her parents for the first time. They're gonna take us to drink, so I just want to get a reaction of their parents because they've known about me for 2 years and I've never seen them. So I'm gonna record everything and let you guys see it too. Let's go. Oh my god. Holy shit, he's in real life. Hey man, yo, nice to see you. So we're here. This is my girlfriend's parents' house. Oh no, it's my fiance's parents' house. Hi wifey, she's sitting right there, by the way. Yo guys, so we made it to Hungary, and instead of taking pictures on the street of Thailand or with cars in Thailand, I decided, you know what? Hungary, Budapest look really epic, look really cinematic. So I decided to test out the brand new Black Mist filter here. Now, first day when we landed, obviously I'm not gonna go out to shoot right away. So the family just greeted me with nothing but TLC. I had unlimited free flow of Balinka, a couple of Hungarian beers. Hungarian foods are awesome. On the second day, her parents took us out to the main location, sightseeing in Budapest. The first thing we went to was the Church of Matthias. And here's the first picture. Yeah, that picture looks really dreamy like, right guys? I had the Black Mist on and basically it just breaks down all the light, whether it be the light from the restaurant, the street light, or even the skylight, I think. Makes it look really dreamy like you're kind of in the movie or a dream. For me, it made me feel like I was in Disneyland. The second shot we walked to, finally saw the, what river is it, babe? Danube? Danube River. The Parliament was on the other side. It was just glowing in this golden yellow. Slapped the filter on, and being me, I can't just take a normal picture, so I did a slow shutter speed with this one. Man, the picture came out immaculate. It literally looked like a brick of gold on the other side of the street. Plus the sky was perfect as well. And by that time, I was already in love with this filter. And then we walk around the whole entire sightseeing viewpoint, saw a couple of other monument structure, took a picture of it, mostly pictures with light, because this filter, what it does is it's supposed to diffuse and break down the harsh light that's coming at your camera and make it more of a cinematic light. So what is a black mist filter, right? Basically, this filter looked like somebody kind of like slightly spray a black nano mist on the filter. So it's got like this little black dot on that. And what it does, what it does is it breaks down those light coming at your lens. So instead of having a harsh, sharp light, digital vibe, it gives it this cinematic vibe. I am loving these pictures, and if you guys want to see more, check out my Instagram link down below. Also, if you guys are interested in to know more about this black mist filter, there'll be a link down below. You can get yours there. The price is totally affordable, and for the effect that it gives, I think everybody should have it. Now, last but not least, who is this for? Well, I think it's for everybody, because not every shot you're gonna take, you're gonna want a cinematic vibe. But when you do want a cinematic vibe or diffuse light, or taking it more of that, I don't want to say old school, but more surreal kind of feeling, just slap on this filter, and you know, it's better to have it than not to have it. For me, there are certain places that I would take pictures with this, especially in Europe. We're gonna go to Croatia next, so you guys will see more. Again, link down below on my Instagram, check it out. But for my car photography, where I'm trying to go with that cyberpunk, neo-cyberpunk vibe, I probably won't be using it, or I might try. The other easy thing about this filter is that the other version, not the one I have, instead of screwing it onto your lens cap, it has a different part that screws onto your lens cap, and a magnet up the filter, slapping it in, probably just like that. They didn't send me that one, so hey, KNF, you want to send me that one? I can try it out next. Anyways, guys, like I said, I didn't want to just take this picture in Bangkok where I usually take the pictures. Me and my fiance had a trip planned a long time ago. After 2.5 years of being together, I finally met her parents, and I also wanted this vlog to be special since I'll be starting vlogging weekly now. So, you know, give me a like, subscribe, boost my algorithm, get your boy up a little bit so I can do this full time. As for the KNF, again, link down below. Next week, there will be a vlog back to the car photography, light painting tutorial. I think we got 6 Mercedes lined up for you guys. They're all PHEV. They're all taken with RGB light painting. And I will show you and tell you guys tips, tricks, and techniques on how to get the pictures kind of like these. So if you guys are interested, like, subscribe, click that bell notification. I'll see you guys next week. Peace and love.